สบายดี Hello everybody มื้อนี้เนาะสิมามาเอือบสิ้นกันเพราะว่าอันนี้กระดูกคางหมูแต่มื้ออื่นลูกชายใหญ่ birthday เนาะแต่สิเฮ็ด a small birthday ให้เพิ่น I gonna make a small little bit birthday party just family you know for my older son he gonna turn 30 alright guys I gonna marinate the pork rib the first thing I gonna smash the lemongrass because I gonna do the Asian style. Okay, follow me. You see the lemongrass? I gonna smash. Okay พี่น้องวันนี้มาเอือบกระดูกข่างนำกันเนาะซีเห็ดบาร์บีคิวมืออื่นกระดูกข่างแบบนี้แหละ you know and let me add some stuff. This is sugar, okay? Tablespoon, any and salt, and little bit MSG. All right, and black pepper. Oop. Okay, ประมาณที่สปูนเด้อใส่สำนักกับไก่กับกะเอาหันนะพี่น้องmarinate นะแล้วก็ I add little bit beer ใส่หน่อยเดียวพอให้มันมีอันนัวหน่อยนึงนะโอเค and I add some lemongrass and oyster sauceประมาณบวงหนึ่งเด้อบวงใหญ่ๆนะเด้อเพื่อนอุ๊บ about tablespoon okay and mix tomorrow I gonna barbecue a little bit early for everybody to eat not too early I gonna barbecue and I gonna leave after I done I gonna leave in the stove keep it warm you know whoever wants some and then grab one and I make some kapun noodle soup and then papaya salad sticky rice bamboo soup a lot of food tomorrow. Let me taste. I wanna taste because okay, I'm gonna add to the Ziploc bag. Ready for the barbecue. Smell good. Smell lemongrass. Like this. Come guys, barbecue with me. With my small barbecue. Wow, looks yummy. One round almost done. Looks so good. Okay everybody, today I do the barbecue. This is my first barbecue ever. And I never done the barbecue by myself, but today I do it. And one round is done already. Look at that, looks good, huh? And second round here. I wanna done this, and I gonna. You guys come enjoy with me. Today is my son's birthday, okay? And I do this for him. We have a lot of food today, and my family is here too. I'm gonna show you what food here today, okay? See you guys later. Follow me now. Done halfway. I have some here. This final. I don't make a lot. Maybe a couple rounds to eat with papaya salad. Everybody's done. Look at that.